Today!
Yammering!
You're hammering today!
Yammering!
Today. Right, come on, show me what we're doing. We are making, was it a Polish, so what is it, a Swedish fire torch. So the best thing to do, all it is to, if you're going down woods or something and you want like a, no way, be banging son. When you go down woods or something, instead of taking like making a great fire, take one of these little logs. I've had this, well, about a year now. It's well seasoned. So what I should have done is drilled the middle bit out there, but I've left my spade-ended drill bits. They're up my house. So what we're going to do, we can make it that way, or we can make it like a rocket stove where you drill it all through there. So you drill it all through there, then drill it all in there. It's like a rocket stove. But I've left all my drill bits at home, and I should have drilled it all down there first. But with Jam of all trades, we're going to do it this way. So the axe is gone somewhere, so I've got a bolster, bro. Yeah, boy. Right, hammer, son. Hammer. Noe. Come on, hammer. Get the hammer. Aya. Don't chuck it. Right, so what we're going to do is we're going to split the log down that way and down that way, grind some of the middle out, and then wrap it together with wire. Let's do this. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Nearly. Yeah, boy, look at that. Oh, well-seasoned oak that I'll burn for a while, Noe. So, done it that way. Now, next thing is to do it the opposite way. Straight across here. Coming in. Go on. Good, son. 4-year-old Noah going straight through Dad's foot. Good, it is. Adder. You're doing that, are you? He's doing that one, and we're doing this one, look. So yeah, split into 4. That'll go together when I wrap some wire around it. So all I'm going to do now is just chop a bit of the middle out. That's why I said earlier I should have drilled it first.
And this one!
And that one. Right then. Well, don't knock it that way then. And then we're going to chop down here now. Just chop a little bit off so we have it all in the middle. Come on in. Right. So, middle's knocked out just like that. We're going to now get some wire, like gardening wire or something like that. So yeah, wire them up, gardening wire or something like that. Put them together like this. I'll show you, it's hard to do with one hand. And then that one there. Right, 2 seconds. Watch. Right, remember it's my first ever one. So that's how it's looking here. I think I might have chopped a bit too much out of the middle. All I've done is tie wrapped it at the minute just to hold it together, because obviously they'll just melt straight away. So I've got some of this wire. All I'm going to do is chop the middle up that I got out of it into little kindling pieces, and then set that on fire at the bottom, and then hopefully, well, you can put a pan or something and, you know, cook your burgers or your steaks, bro, you know what I mean? Or a pheasant that you knock it head with, catapult or pew light. Come on. Right, anyway, gonna chop some kindling up, wrap that wire around it, and we're gonna go. Let's do this. Come on in, let's do it. Right, change your plan, people. Change your plan, innit, boys? We couldn't find a lighter, no one had a lighter because everyone stopped smoking and that. So we're just going for a little ride, are we? So we're going to take you with us, and then next time we come, we'll do that other Swedish torture, yeah? Let's do this. And sorry I haven't been on for a while, my head hasn't been in the right place, but you know I always bounce back sometime or another, and I'm back, boys, coming in. Oh no, right, where's Jack gone?
There!
Look at him, he's right over there, shall we get him?
Yeah!
Shall we get him, boy?
Yeah!
Come on then, let's get him! The monkey boy! Yay! Get up then! Get up! Are you on? We're coming across with that, didn't we, son, eh?
Yeah, put the paper.
Oh, it's alright. Yeah, hey, boy.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, boy. And that's how you do it, isn't it?
Yes, but where's Dad gone?
He's right there with her. Try and start her up, huh?
Yeah.
Here we go, you ready?
Yes.
Like that. Are you ready? Bit boggy, isn't it? Here we go, here we go. Let's get him there! Get him! Let's get him! Come in, yeah, boy! Yeah, man! Good in. Right, wait now, let me find you. You got something in your eye? Right, let's go, bro! Are you ready?
Yes.
Oh no! Come, go! Alright, bogey! Right, bogey! Come on, man! Oh, we're going up this big hill now, big hill! Oh, bogey, bogey! Alright! Right, come here. You let him know do the throttle, are you alright? Keep going. Right, go on then, right, you know where you want, go. Throttle. Like that. Noah's turn on the throttle. Right, come on then, are you ready? Come on. You got it? Ready with her? Right, go then, go then. Whoa. Whoa. No, more stations, so you got like that, look. Like this, now. Like that, yeah? Go then. No, don't keep doing that, keep nice and steady. Like that, nice and steady, good boy. Don't change gear, look. Hey! Nice and steady. Is it no riding the monkey bike? Oh no, Jack's is cut off. Right, don't rev it anymore. What's happened, dude? 2 minutes. Oh no, I ride the monkey bike.
Let's go.
Right, are you ready? Have you got the throttle? Yeah? Well then, let's go. Stop moving. Right, Jack gone. We're ready? Whoa! Whoa, slow down, bro! Really? Whoa! Whoa! Hey, go on, Noe! Nice and steady on the throttle, remember?
Okay.
And then when you want to change gear, let the throttle off. And then go like that. Oh. Stop all the things. Now you ready? Oh, nice and steady on that throttle, boy. Come on then. Don't keep doing that. Just keep it nice and steady like that. Yeah, like that, yeah? Keep it like that.
Let's go in.
Oh, come on. Right, stop. We're at the end.
What's that?
Stop.
What's that doing?
Right, people, thanks for watching. This is the end. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.